Coming to you live from Washington, D.C. I have no clue where anything is in my sister's apartment, so this is gonna be a fun adventure for both of us. Oh, beautiful. Found the toaster. Like I mentioned, I'm currently in DC right now. I arrived here like 4 days ago. I left Boise at like 11:45, flew overnight, arrived in Georgia at 5 a.m., had a 2-3 hour layover, and then got here at like 9:30, close to 10. Luckily, my body got readjusted. The second that I landed, we ended up getting in the car and driving 3.5 hours to Delaware. So girlie had quite the travel day. My tush was very sore. I think for breakfast, I'm gonna do almond butter, banana on English muffin, drizzle some honey on top. That sounds really appetizing right now. We stayed 3 days in Rehoboth Beach at my dad's college roommate's house. When he was in the military, he made a lot of friends. His roommate, Mr. Joe, and him were like super tight. He and his family were the best hosts ever. Now we're back in DC. It's just me and Kat here at her apartment. And yesterday was a fun-filled day of hopping on and off the metro, getting yummy food, touring the Capitol building. What else did we do? We went to 2 museums. We did this Monet Experience Museum, and then we also did the Word Museum, which is kind of like a free child's museum. We went in that one to kill time because it was really hot outside. But so far, DC has convinced me to want to move to a city. I love the fact that everything is walkable. Metro here, in my opinion, is a lot cleaner and better than the one in New York. Public transportation, I actually am a huge fan of it. I think growing up in the South, because you have to drive everywhere to get to one destination, public transportation is just not as common. It makes me feel like I'm back on semester at sea in some of those countries again. Catherine is on a 7-mile run right now. She's crazy. This is today's almond butter from the brand Barney. Yesterday we impulsively wanted to see Inside Out 2. Tell me why the movie tickets here are $17 a piece, and in Boise, Idaho, it's like $7 max. I was so shook. I was like, why is our total $34 plus a $9 popcorn making it like 40 something? It was so expensive. Could not believe it. Bon appetit. I love Asian people. I know, me too. Guys, I'm trying kimbap for the first time. Catherine told me that this is like supposedly really yummy. So we're gonna try it when we get back to her apartment. She's beautiful, she's gorgeous, and she was only $8. I'm pretty sure the filling inside is pickled radish or something. Pickled radish. Kat got seaweed salad. Yesterday we also got Asian food for lunch, and the seaweed salad that I got was a 10 out of 10.
You're supposed to eat it in one bite, apparently, too.
That's amazing.
Still can't get over $8 for that, too. Like, this is a lot.
I like this better than sushi.
Oh, me too.
This is way better than sushi. I'm jealous that you get this every single day if you want.
It was dangerous to have it. It was on my walk home, too. I pass it every day and I look at it and I'm like...
For $8? Are you kidding me?
And it's like very balanced, too. Like the stuff that's in it.
What's the yellow thing?
Okay.
Kimbap? This deserves a 10 out of 10 for me. We got our toes done. I didn't film that, but I painted my toes white because I'm going to visit my boyfriend next week, and the dogs were looking...
And he has a toe fetish.
No. The dogs were looking rough. Anywho, Kat and I are kind of twinning right now. Like, why are we kind of having a twinning moment? We're going to Georgetown right now. Catherine is a grad student at Georgetown. And so she's gonna give me a little tour, and then there's some shops nearby apparently. So we're gonna go shop around, see what's up. I heard there's an Aritzia and a Lululemon and a Brandy Melville, which is like the deadly trio. Probably not good for my bank account though. To end the night, we're going to Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. Kat made reservations the other night and I'm so excited. I just know the food is gonna be fabulous. Yep, that is that. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and link down this jumpsuit that I have on. It is basically the same material as Aritzia, but I got it from Amazon for so much cheaper and it is my current obsession. I've been wearing it a lot lately. Telling Catherine that she needs to romanticize the fact that she goes here because Boise State, I love it, but it does not look like this straight out of Hogwarts. You know it's hot when the hair is up on the seat. We went to this place called Baked and Wire and I got this like passion fruit tea. So good. And then I also got one clothing item from the store Viore. So it's this workout tank top. Feels soft as butter and I love this color because it's almost like a charcoal texture but in this navy blue. Really beautiful. Also, look at how beautiful this river is. Georgetown did not disappoint. The shopping, excellent. Catherine got a few pieces from Aerie. But yeah, we're gonna go back to her apartment. I'm gonna do some schoolwork for my anthropology class, and then tonight we're gonna go to that Hell's Kitchen Gordon Ramsay deal. But as you can tell, I'm very sweaty right now and I just cannot wait to go clean and freshen up and whatnot. Moist and good. All right, it's your least favorite day. I know you're gonna hate me after this, but we need to have you clean. It's time. Look at him. Oh, poor baby. It's gonna be okay. Shake. No shake. No. Oh, good job. Packaging. I love whatever font this is. Off the bat, there's 3 jars of gummies and a little letter. Sleep Tight gummies with melatonin and magnesium, vaginal probiotic gummies, and daily digestive gummies. Whoever did the marketing on this gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Caroline, we hope you love Lemmy as much as we do. There's 3 different cards that describe the 3 bottles inside. Caroline, we adore you and your content. You're totally authentic and cool and low-key hysterical. That's why we're thrilled to collab on our new Target exclusive hydration collection, Halo. It's a new product and my personal fave. It's perfect to carry on walks with your pup or while traveling the world. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Stay hydrated. This is from the brand Reduce. Any shade of blue I love, hence the swimsuit that I'm wearing right now. Sturdy handle. I like that this is gonna fit in my cup holder. Oh my gosh, there's like 6 in here. Love the fact that the straw is like this silicone squishy material. Same shade of blue, except for this one is like that pink one. I think I need school to start back up again so I can carry these around everywhere. Beautiful. This is one that I would take hiking. Let's see, if I press this? Does it open? Oh, I mentioned this in one of my other videos, but I'm gonna be doing a summer giveaway, and you best believe I'm gonna include one of these water bottles. These are way too cute to not be used in this giveaway.
Overwhelmed by the unknown, was the world made for my soul? Teenage therapy, just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication to all of the parts.